How to fire items. First, pick up a check or begin a new table. And add items to the check. Next, tap Check Functions, and then tap Fire Now. Unfired menu items are listed. Fire items using one of the following methods. Select individual menu items. Select Fire by Seat, and then select a seat number. Select Fire by Major Group, and then select a major group. Select Fire by Family Group, and then select a family group. Tap Fire. The menu items appear on the check detail with an asterisk to show they have been sent.